everyone, today we will be learning how to make fruit carvings. Using this particular knife, cut out the muskmelon as such. Now, taking a scooper, cut out all of the flesh portions of it. Taking the multiple balls that you make out of watermelon and the muskmelon, add them in a circular shape as such. Then take a cucumber, make a thin slice out of it and then make leaf-like shapes out of it. Add it to the bottom as the stem. Take a watermelon and then cut a slice of it as such. Now cut out the center portion of it so that it will look like a basket. Do this only with the flesh portion so that you are left with a handle. Scoop out balls of flesh as such, and then for the edges cut out V shapes out of it. Now taking the other triangular piece that you have slit out, cut out the flesh of it. Bend it and then tie it up in the middle. It will look like a bow. Add it on the top of the handle. Taking another piece of the skin, add it on either side to make it look like the ribbon of the bow. Add the flesh into your watermelon and then there you have it. Next, we need some watermelon and some muskmelon. For this, start off by taking a watermelon and then cut out the edges as such. Cut out the excess parts of it as well, such as the white portions of it that usually tend to be left out as such. Now, after you have made it into the somewhat flower-like shape, cut it up into a heart-like shape. You'll be left with a heart and a butterfly. Make multiple slices of this heart and then spread it out on a plate. Once you're done with this, cut a slice of the butterfly as well and then add it on top of the hearts. Now, take another fruit such as muskmelon and then cut it out in the shape of a head. That is the head of the bird. Now add it on either side to make it look like the antenna. Cut out 4 balls of flesh from the thick portion of this butterfly. Now take out some balls or scoop it out from the muskmelon and then add it to the center of your butterfly. Finally, this is what it should look like. You may add some other leaves in the corner to decorate it as well. Now, in order to do this, we will start off by taking a grape and then slice it in half. Make multiple V-shaped cuts at the top as such. Do this until you reach the base and then spread it out. Make multiple of these and then arrange it in a circle. Now, take this berry and then slice it in half and then arrange it in a central shape. Next, you may take something like a blueberry and then add it right in the center. You may also use a grape. Now, next, taking a peach, slice it in half and then make multiple slits into it. Make multiple slices and then arrange it like a wreath. After this, use some greens as well and then add the stem to it. Next, this is what we'll be making. We'll be making this out of strawberries. In order to do this, slice the strawberry into half and then make multiple slits of it. Use the slits for the back portion, that is the tail. Next, start off by taking this particular fruit and then scoop out balls of flesh as such. Next, take a kiwi and then make slices out of it. Make multiple slices. Take a strawberry, cut each of them into half. Now, arrange the kiwis in a circular shape, add the balls on the inside and the strawberries on the outside. Thank you for watching.